How would you like to drive a ton of viral traffic to your offer? Does that sound something that you need? Now, I know a lot of businesses, when they're starting up online, they have this great product, but they don't know how to get the product in front of the customers. So that part people seem to leave out when you buy the courses online. And that is one of the major things that you need. You need to drive traffic. You need to learn how to drive traffic to your offer. Now, I have a program called Viral Vault, okay? And in this program, we show you exactly how to drive a ton of viral traffic to your offer. How does that sound? Does that sound like it's something for you? And we only charge $27 a month for this. So, in Viral Vault, we take you from a complete newbie and we show you how to set up a TikTok account, how to monetize it, how to then create prompts to be able to create images, and then more prompts to be able to create those images into videos, and then to be able to turn those videos into faceless offers. So that is what we show you what to do in Viral Vault. We have a ton of information there. We've created like prompt generators as well. So with the prompt generators, you can just type in what you want and it will create you not only the image prompts, but it creates you the video prompts as well. And with everything in mind, it puts in the correct type of cameras, the angles, how the videos rotate around the subject in your video. I mean, it's absolutely incredible. And you can create views to your offer. Now, some people think, when you're watching some of these TikTok videos, are you getting stuck on 700 views? Or when you're on YouTube, are you getting stuck on 500 views here? What you've got to realize is that even if you're getting 700 views or 500 views, you're still getting the potential of 700 people looking at your offer, or even 500 people looking at your offer. But when your video goes absolutely berserk and viral, just like we've had in our groups where we've had a customer of ours, one of their videos hit about 3.5 million views. You know, he is creating a magical moment in people's lives where they absolutely love watching his videos, and every time he posts, he's getting really, really high views. Now, we can get you to that sort of level, but in order for us to get you to that level, you need to come on board and then go through the training. You'll be able to get a ton of viral views to your offer, and we show you exactly how to do this. So if this sounds like it's something for you and you're interested in learning how to drive that traffic without any effort whatsoever, just by using the simple AI tools that we show you exactly what to use in Viral Vault and how to use them, and using our prompt generators, then come on board. Look in the comments down below, click on the link, and you'll be able to take you straight to the Viral Vault page, and then come on board. And then once you come on board, you come and join our community, which we have up on Facebook. And if you need any questions asked, if you want to ask any questions, or you need anything to reassure you in any way, then by all means, reach out to us and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. And literally, we are real people as well. So you might send us a question and we might answer it within about an hour or two, but we will get those questions answered. Okay, so we are here to help you grow your TikTok, your Facebook, your YouTube, and Instagram to be able to get you a ton of viral traffic to your business, your online business. And especially if you've just started out as well, this is something that will help you explode your business to the next level. So go ahead, click on that link in the comments down below, and we'll see you on the inside.